Hello friends, my name is Gautam Sen and welcome to Greeky Tech. Today's topic is Linux user administration. So now we have to start Linux user administration. In this user and group, we have to explain all these terms user, group, and what types of user account. So let's move. There are three types of user account. First one is the root user, second one is a normal user, and third one is a system. It is also called pseudo user. So let's briefly explain all three terms. First, normal user. Normal user account have no right access to anything on the system except their home directory. Second one is a root user or administrator. You can assign access right to different files and directories, allowing your user to gain access to different areas of the system outside their home directory. And the last one, friend, is a system account. It's similar to the normal user account. The main difference is that system users normally don't have home directory and cannot log in the way normal users do. Now friends, let's move to we completed all these three terms root, normal user and the system. Now moves to how to add a new user. To add a new user, you can run either of the following two commands as root. First one is add user and second one is user add. So you just write the command add user and the name of the user. Second, also same user add and name of the user. When a new user account is added to the system, the following operation are performed. So what the operation are that? Just look at. First one is home directory is created. When you create a new user, then home directory is created by default. Okay, in /home/username. Whatever you create the username is there /home and the user name. Okay. Now move to the second point. The following hidden files are copied into the user home directory and will be used to provide environment variables of his or her user session. Okay friends. So what are the hidden files? First one is a base logout, second one is a base profile, and the third one is base RC. What this term are? First one is a base logout. It defines any command that should be executed before the user logout. Okay. Second one is a dot base profile. It set environment variables. And the last one is a base RC. It defined function and aliases. Okay friends. Now let's move the third point. Third point is a mail spool is created for the user at /var/spool or /mail and the /username. And the fourth point is a group is created and given the same name as the new user account. Okay friends. Now let's move to the Linux file responsible for user management. There are the three files are responsible. First one is a /etc password, /etc shadow and /etc group. What are these files? First one is a /etc password. It stores all the user related information. Okay. Second one is a /etc shadow. It stores all the Linux password in MD5 encrypted format. And the third one is a /etc/group. It stores all the group related information. Okay friends, first we create user. Before we have to take backup, because we modify this file, so it is better to take backup, because a mistake can be crash our Linux system. So first of all, we make a directory. This is my CentOS. Open the terminal. And now we make a directory. For make a directory, we can use mkdir and the name of the file, where we have to copy the all the backup. So just name is backup. Okay friend, cannot create directory /backup file already exists. Okay, make another name mkdir slash back double k up. Okay friend. Okay, after that what we should do, copy the all three files /etc password, /etc group and /etc shadow to backup file. Okay, so what is the command for copy? cp /etc/password, okay, space backup BACKKUP. Okay friend, it will copy in the backup file. Same thing, we change the name here, shadow BO. Okay friend, now last one is group. Okay, we make directory. After that we copy all the files /etc password /etc shadow and the group to backup file. After that we add a user. What is the command for the add a user? User add. Okay, user add. Let's think any name. Let's give Indian. Okay friend, India. User add. Okay, after that we take a password, make a password of this India DIA. Okay, give the password. Okay friend, we have to done. Now read the file again with cat command, or you can use grep switch to filter the output. Okay friend, let's move. Use the cat command /etc/password. This is called file. Get the file name India. Okay friend. Oh shit, it's not, we have mistake password. This is a PASSWD. Okay, okay, Here is the file name. Here is UID, GID. This is home directory, and this is the cell, default cell. Okay, let's explain all this term. /etc/password. The full account information is stored in /etc password file. This file contains record for the system user account and has the following format. So this one is username. This X is the second file, indicate that the account is protected by shadow password, okay, which is needed to log on as the username. This is user ID, this is the group ID, this is the command, this blank file is a command, this is the home directory, and this is the default cell. Okay, now let's move to the shadow file. Okay, here friend, see the file name, username, this is the encrypted password. Okay, let's explain better. This is the username, this is the password, this one is minimum. What is minimum? Let's explain. The minimum number of days required between password changes, that is the number of days left before the user is allowed to change his or her password. And the fourth one is maximum. The maximum number of days the password is valid. After that, user is forced to change his or her password. And the sixth one is warm. The number of days before the password is to expire that the user is warned that his or her password must be changed. And the seventh one is the number of days after password expire that the account is disabled. And the eighth one is expire days since this date after is disabled, that is an absolute date specified when the login may no longer be used. Okay, now let's move to the last one. What is group? /etc/group, GROUP. Okay, this is the file name and this is the user ID. Okay, let's explain. Group information is stored in /etc/group file. Each record has following. First one is the group name. This is the group name. X is the group password, indicates group password are not being used. And the 605 the same as /etc in password. And the fourth one is blank. A comma separated list of users who are member of the group name. Okay, now let's move to the our terminal. Okay, we see all these things /etc password, /etc shadow, and /etc group. After that we go to the home directory, cd slash home. Okay friend, we come to the home directory. Here is the home. Okay, now listing all the what we make, ls minus ld, for the file name is India. Here friends, this is the file name, this is our username India, and this is the timing where we make the user. Okay, this is the D details is directory, R for write, read, write, and X is executing. Okay friends, now let's move how to create a user without a password. Okay, how to create a user without a password. Let's move user add, say anything, kitty. Okay, and password PALSWD minus D is used for without password. Okay, okay friends, this we all make. Now let's see in our shadow file. Okay, but the name of the user is kitty. Where is it blank, because no password is there. There is blank. Okay, now how to create a group. To create group, use group add. Okay, command. Group created by this command is called secondary group. Okay friend, now we make a group add. Let's name test. Okay, now cat file, cat slash etc slash group. Now grab the TSWT. This is the group name, this is the ID. Okay friend, now how to add a user in a group. Okay, how to add a user in a group. To add user in this group, use user mode command. There are the three commands here. First one is user mode command. User mode is used for modify user account. Second one is a user add, create user or system account, or user del, to remove a user or a system account. So let's move to how to create a user add, how to add a user in a group. Okay, user mode minus G is used for group name TS12T. What is the name of the India. Okay, name of the user. Okay, you make this command will make India user to member of the test group. Okay, And how to delete a secondary group? You can delete a group by group del command. Group del TST data using cat slash etc slash group get test. Okay, fine. You cannot delete. We cannot delete user primary group until user exists. For example, group del anything you name the group del tell anything Nikki Kitty. Here is a cannot remove user primary group. So you cannot delete user primary group until the user exists for. Okay. So how to delete user? User del command is used to delete user. When a user is deleted, user primary group will automatically be deleted. Okay. Now go to the user delete. User del kitty kitty okay group group kitty does not exist because we already deleted the username here. This is that's it automatically create a user na, that's why it doesn't exist. Okay, now you have to use user del Nikki doesn't exist. Now group del okay, let's move to the home directory cd slash home. Okay, after we check the user kitty ls minus id name of the file KWI. Okay, this is the directory read write executive. This is the id user id group id which date we make, and the kitty is the username. Okay, now user delete, it's also in a home directory. We can delete the username, but we cannot delete from home directory. For this, what should we do? We have to use command user del minus r India. Okay, okay, now let's check ls minus id India. Yes, Here no such file or directory. Okay, no such file in a home directory. Whenever you delete user with user del command, entry of user will be removed from this file, but user home folder and mail folder will not be deleted as you can in above. If you want completely remove user including his home folder and the mail folder, use -r switch with userdel command. Okay friends, today's the class is over now, and after for second tutorial we do same. I think friends, related to this topic you understand. For this, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much.